Hello, in this tutorial I'm going to cover the types of questions you can ask with Google Forms and the different features that come with them. So the first thing you want to do is a short answer question. Now notice by default it's been multiple choice, but if I type in first name, watch what Google will do. It will recognize that that's actually a short answer question. That's really kind of cool. But if that's not what you wanted, you always have the right to come over here and manually choose your question. And by the way, if you like that question and want to do a similar one, you can always hit duplicate. Now, because this is a short answer and I don't want the student to skip over it, I recommend that you make it required. Next step you can do is hit duplicate, and right here you're going to just change it to last name. So this is short answer questions, and it allows the student to write, one word, multi-word responses. So nothing like a paragraph, but it could be a sentence or shorter. Now, I do want to show you a feature about short answers that's very useful. So I've done first name and last name. And what if I want a password that they have, a phrase they have to answer? So what I'm going to do is then add a question, and I should have just done duplicate, but then I'm going to go ahead and make it short answer. And I'm going to type security passcode or password. And then this is really cool. You're going to go down to the three buttons in the bottom right corner, and you're going to want to do what's called response validation. And you could make it a number and make it's equal to, and that number is the password. But let's do a phrase, and you're going to say it matches, and you're going to say a phrase, and I'm going to put Steam as the password, and I'm going to say the custom error text is wrong password. And then make the question required so they can't move on until they get the right password. And let me show you what this looks like for short answer questions. So I go to the preview and I type Eddie or Ed. I'll just keep moving. And now watch if I hit submit. Not going to let me do it. I type Ed. Not going to let me do it. If I type the right password, it's going to let me submit now and move on. And I wonder if it's capitalized. Let's see if what happens. So let's do Steam, and it does not work. So they can't go capital S Steam. It has to be exactly the same format that you put in the password field. Just wanted to let you see that so you know about that when you use this feature. So that's short answer, and thank you so much for watching this short answer tutorial.